Alright guys, so today we're here at our second stop, which is going to be Trevisana's showroom, where they have a mock suite ready for us for one of the new projects that we're going to be getting later on this year. So we're just here, we're going to install the mock suite real quick, we're going to install the sink real quick. We are on a time crunch, we only have about 45 minutes to get this done. So I'm going to get to work and then I'll see you guys when it's all done.